Demonstrate case management functionality. The case management offers robust case management capabilities with the ability to assign and manage the assignees of a case, and not just from individual users, but also to different queues. So I can assign it to my tier 1 queue, and anyone in my tier 1 group will have access to this case. We can modify the statuses of the case as well as the priority. And again, any of these can be dynamically altered through playbooks and actions. I have the ability to add additional artifacts and entities into my case. We even have the ability to add restrictions. So you can actually restrict who has access to this case. So if you're investigating someone sensitive, like an executive or maybe somebody else in security, we add that kind of object-based access control here. We have the high-level summary here with all of the incident types, the basic descriptions of where this case came from, when did it start, when did it end, who it was created by, all of the entities related to this particular case. So we have I can look at any files that are involved, the devices, the user, and again, I can get context data about any of these as well. So if I want to look at Barbara Salazar here, I can then pivot into entity frequency, her data insights, which is everything that we know about normal for this particular user. And then we can come down here into the behavior analytics section. And this gives me the ability to pivot out into the user page or the user's timeline. I get the summary of all of the different behaviors and detections that were seen in this particular case. All of these different sections, again, are added dynamically as we add incident types. And then at the bottom here, I had already shown the task list, but this is also where we manage any of the artifacts that are seen in this particular case. So I can see all of the different IP addresses. I can flag any of these if I know that these are maybe the malicious ones. We can continue to add additional artifacts here. So whether I want to add files, an IP, a process, a URL, an email address, we have the ability to communicate, add new case notes, or send email messages to other analysts, and then the full audit activity log of everything that's happened to this particular incident. So any playbooks that have run, artifacts, changes, you can see those ones that I just flagged. So full case management capability here from a per case basis. And then also from kind of the case manager home here, the ability to slice and dice and manage the cases very effectively. Whether I want to sort based on cases in a particular queue or who they're assigned to, the dates of cases. I may want to look at specific incident types. So maybe I just want to look at cases related to lateral movement. I can look at the different statuses, priorities, and even do keyword searches for entities and artifacts available, as well as full keyword searches against anything within the particular case. I can export these cases. So really robust case management capability here to allow the SOC to really operationalize all of the alerts that are coming out of Exabeam Security Operations Platform.